name is Steph. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if this isn't your first time, then welcome back. Just a little update, I've decided to merge, I guess, my lifestyle channel and my main gaming tech channel together. I first started YouTube, which was like 7 months ago. I was told that the best solution for YouTube is to pick a niche and stick to it. And that's what I did. Ultimately, I'm hoping this is a good change. I just want to be able to show you guys all parts of me in a sense. So I am a gamer and I do love tech, but I am also, I guess, like I go to the gym, sort of. Can't really right now in lockdown, but I did go to the gym before, and it's something that I want to get back into once lockdown lifts. I do Lyra, which is a part of my fitness journey, so I want to be able to show you guys all of me. So today's video is the first step towards merging everything together, and we're going to be doing a try on haul. We're going to be trying on some Gymshark clothes. I've been wearing Gymshark for the past 3 years, which is basically the entire time that I've been going to the gym. I don't know why I use quotation marks. One collection that never ceases to amaze me, and I've bought something from every one of those releases, is the Whitney Simmons collection. I have something from V1, V2, and now this is V3, which is my biggest haul yet. It's not because I have a large amount of disposable money. It's not that. Because my body has changed dramatically in the last 2 years. Last year, I don't think I stepped into the gym more than 10 times. One, mostly due to restrictions, and two, I did not find the motivation to go to the gym. And I know everyone's gonna say, well, you know, like the gym's like a great distraction. Anyway, this year is a whole new start. I haven't done a lot of gym this year. I've been doing a lot of Lyra, which is basically aerial hoop. I don't know if you guys know this, but you sit in a hoop, you do a lot of tricks. I'll put something up here for you guys to see, one of my routines. It does require a lot of strength and a lot of fitness, but it is not the same as, you know, deadlifting 100 kilos or squatting. So even though Lyra has greatly improved my strength in the gym, I have not been going to the gym. Back to the main point. Whitney's collection this year is incredible. She has really outdone herself. This year, my wallet said yes, but also be smart. So I bought quite a few things because I didn't know what size I am anymore. I used to be a size small in all of Gymshark. Since COVID-19, since being in lockdown, since stress eating a lot, since not moving, I've gained some weight, and that is okay to say. I'm teaching myself that it's okay to say that, and it's okay that I've gained weight. I bought quite a number of things in smalls and mediums just to see what size I fit in. And my thought process was that I could either work really, really hard and fit into a small, or comfortably fit into a medium no matter what happens.
Let's go.
First thing that I want to show you guys are these really ridiculous, adorable scrunchies. They came in 2 packs of 3. So you had the really bright colors. So you had gold blue, peony pink, and pollen, which is this beautiful yellow. And then they came in the neutral pack, which was black, eucalyptus, and mink. I bought both packs. They're very nice and soft. I believe that these are made from the same material that the leggings and the shorts are made of, from the Whitney high-rise leggings, which are really nice. But last year at the start of lockdown, I actually began a new role, like a new job from home. So I've never been to the office, I've never met any of my colleagues. So I have been living in the V1 joggers. So these are literally one of my favorite joggers that Gymshark have come out with. These are the Whitney Simmons V1 joggers. They've definitely been worn in. They're tattered. Not really, but they have definitely been loved, I'm gonna say. Which means when I saw the oversized joggers this year from the V3 collection, I died. I bought the small and medium in the joggers just because I know they said oversized, but I was like, which one do I really want though? Like, do I want like a real baggy fit, or do I want, you know, something a little bit tighter? Because last year's V2 collection, I bought the black joggers in small and I bought the green joggers in medium, and they were quite skin tight towards the calf area, which I'm not hating on it. It just wasn't something that I would be comfortable wearing day to day. Because like, you know, if I put my phone and my keys into my pocket, you could see them like smacking around, like around my thighs area. These are really comfy. I think I will go with the small on these, just because I do have the baggier option in the V1 joggers that I have. So these don't actually have a drawstring, as you've noticed. The "It's a Good Day to Be Alive" is at the back here, and the gold bar is at the front. So these are really comfy. They also cinch in on the ankle. I will say though, the difference between the small and the medium is quite significant for me. I don't have like huge thighs, but I can fit into a small comfortably. It's not restrictive. I would say the medium is definitely for those who prefer a baggier fit. Like if you're between small and medium and you prefer a baggier fit, still go for the medium regardless of the fact that the small is deemed oversized. This is the oversized pullover. It came in mink, black, and unbleached. So I only got the rest day staples in mink just because, again, I have a lot of black in my wardrobe, and with white, I just don't trust myself. This is really comfy. I got this actually in a medium. So again, the pullover is meant to be a oversized fit. I'm glad I got a medium. Being self-conscious of my middle section here, feel like if I got the small, it would have just sat underneath my boobs here, whereas this one I can actually kind of pull it down if I want to. Surprisingly with the medium, the sleeves didn't feel as long as they should be. For this collection, even though it was cute as hell, I did not buy the mesh bra, simply because I never wear just a bra at the gym. The mesh bras were actually promoted, I think, quite heavily by the athletes. I don't know if that was intentional or if it was just like such an amazing item. I did not get them because I was like, they're so cute, but no one's gonna see them because I'm just gonna be wearing t-shirts and jumpers over them. However, a few years ago, I did buy the Gymshark Energy Seamless Crop Vest in black. When I saw these crop tanks come out, I screamed because this is exactly what I was looking for. I got these in unbleached, pollen, and eucalyptus. You can see the subtle Gymshark logo on here, and the Whitney Simmons tag is actually down the bottom in the middle. This crop tank is literally going to be one of my favorite staples. It comes with removable cups as well, but I keep them in just because most of the time if I take them out, you can see my piercings. So I'm going to keep them in. I have these all in a size small and they fit really nicely. They don't like squeeze any of your like back fat or like your back rolls.
Back rolls.
I also have the oversized shirts in unbleached and pollen as well. So the materials for the oversized t-shirts are really nice and breathable. However, it also translates to see-through. You have to wear a top onto this. Like you have to wear a bra onto this. And I don't think it matters what bra you wear, especially if you're getting the lighter colors, you will be able to see through to that bra. So keep that in mind, I guess. I mean, it's not a huge deal. Now onto the most important part of the collection, the bottoms. I only bought both sizes because I literally had no idea what I was going to be. I know that they have measurement sizes on the website, but what I found was that a lot of the Gymshark athlete videos that I was looking at, everyone was a small. Everyone was true to size, they were a small, and I was like, amazing. That's kind of why I wanted to make this video, because I wasn't seeing the information that I needed for someone who was in my position. Last year, I did try and buy the Whitney high-rise leggings and I bought the Whitney ribbed leggings. They both were awful on my body. I just remember the ribbed ones, the smalls, I think I could barely get over my legs, which was interesting because they were meant to be like super high compression but still stretchy. The mediums I got over my legs, they sat low on my stomach, and I like a high-waisted bottom. Like if I'm going to the gym, I love something that's high-waisted, it's gonna suck me in, like the black camo leggings, they are my favorite Gymshark leggings ever. So the ribbed leggings were just no-go, and I think the high-rise leggings last year were too buttery and soft for me. I did not feel secure. I felt like everything was like spilling over. Like you had my undie line, then you had my gut, and then you had the legging line, and it was just not a pretty size. So starting with the shorts with the eucalyptus, I tried the small one first because I was hopeful. I was hopeful that I could still fit into it, or like I was hopeful that I was only just a little outside of the small range where I could work really hard and get back into it. That's what's happening. I am now officially a medium in bottoms in Gymshark. The seams in the legs did not even line up to like where they should be. They were like rolling towards the front a little bit. I felt very uncomfortable trying to like like squeeze myself into them. And then there was also just a lot of like this falling out underneath the crop, like so between the crop tank and the shorts there was just a lot of like muffin top going on, which is not pretty. They're a lot longer than the V1 shorts that I bought. So I have the V1 black shorts and the V1 blue shorts. These are mid-thigh, which is really nice. For some reason the black shorts feel like they're a bit too long, which is impossible because they're all made the same way. However, for the black ones, I did hike them up a little bit just because it felt like they were cutting my legs off in a really funny way. I'm also wearing these Bonds undies, which you can see are not the most ideal undies to be wearing in a try-on haul, especially with gym clothes. However, it is what it is because that's what I wear to the gym. So that's what I was going to show you guys with the gym clothes on. You can see a little bit of the undie line. I'm not fussed behind it. If I was wearing a seamless pair of undies, it probably would be fine. But again, I normally wear an oversized top to the gym. Even though they made the waistband thicker this time, like they are higher up. So last time they were, I think, like maybe 3/4 of this size, which is why they rolled down. They didn't feel comfortable. Like they weren't high enough for me. Only the tiniest gripe, and I'm like, maybe it's my muffin top, who knows? But I will tell you, they do roll slightly. Like it's just a little blip. Like when you get down to the bottom of the scrub, it just goes bloop, and then you just have, you stretch up, and you fix it, and then you go again. Do with that what you will. Some people might be really annoyed at that. I personally, a little annoyed, but it's not enough to return all of them because these are beautiful. With hotter weather coming in Sydney, I think these are really going to be kind of like my go-to shorts. I also tried the eucalyptus smalls for the high-rise leggings. It was not a vibe. Same thing happened with the inseam. It was rolling towards the front as opposed to like where it was meant to be. Same thing happened when I was wearing the crop tank, was that a lot of my muffin top was being squeezed between the tank and the small leggings and just creating like a little floater. So I ditched the small leggings and I just tried on the medium leggings, and they're all super comfortable. They're basically a carbon copy of the cycling shorts, which I love, which means I know that these are going to be beautiful. The most important thing that I want you guys to take out of this video is, one, it doesn't matter how your body has changed in this really difficult time we've been in. Like everyone has been in a really, really hard time. Okay, like you can downplay it all you like, but COVID sucks. Your body is struggling, is fighting to survive and keep you alive in this time. And that's okay. If it tells you it wants to eat something, go eat it. Obviously within reason. But listen to your body. If it's struggling, if it's tired, if it's doing something, then just give it what it needs. Because again, everyone's going about their day doing normal things. Like I'm answering my emails 9 to 5, all this stuff. It is not normal. This is not normal for the world. Do not be so hard on yourself if that is how your body is reacting. Your body's just finding a way to cope, and that is okay. Second message is, even though I have bought a lot from this collection, it is not necessary. Like I bought 3 colors in shorts and leggings. It is definitely not necessary. There's always a lot of hype around activewear drops, and I've noticed that a lot lately, and Gymshark do it really well. But it's not necessary. Like you can buy just one thing from the collection if you really want to, because if you think about it, you probably already have that item maybe from a different company or in a different color or something similar, but you're just so caught up in the hype and the marketing that you feel like you absolutely need it. And like I said, the last Gymshark purchase that I made was last year's V2 collection. Even though Gymshark came out with these really pretty lilac/lavender colored, tops and shorts and leggings, I was very close to purchasing. But my promise to myself was that if I bought the V2 collection, I had to wait till the V3 collection. And that's going to be my promise again for next year. Since I bought so much for V3, I have to wait till V4 next year. And luckily for me and my wallet, it's only a once a year thing. I have purchased all of this with all my own money. I am not sponsored by Gymshark, and it is a goal of mine. So, Gymshark, hit me up if you want a new Gymshark athlete in Australia who also promotes gaming and fitness at the same time. If you did like this try on Gymshark video, it would really mean a lot to me if you subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up. I'm really close to being able to apply for the YouTube partner program, and it would honestly make my year if I could do that. So thank you so much for the support. If you do sub, if you do like, if you do comment, genuinely means the world to me. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!